Hi there, hope you're doing. So this is actually news from Fiverr, and I have demo for you. I've added another sheet, the name called demo, sorry, dashboard. Here you can select the sheet, whichever sheet you want to use. Like I saw that there are multiple sheets, and you might be interested in getting the data or the document generated from any of the sheets. So I have given you this extra dynamic control. If you will make another sheet, let me add another sheet here. Currently, you can see this is a new sheet, and you will not see that sheet currently in here. If I'll refresh it, every time you open the file, it will give you the list of all the available sheets in this document. So now let me click here, and you can see the new sheet name has been added here. Right. So yep, that's it. Um, you can select any of the sheets here. Currently, I'll select this one, which is the first one here, and now I'll click this generate docs. So what it will do, it will take the data from this sheet, this data, and it will update the status for which if the document has been generated for this one, it will update the state data here, so that if you are repeating the if you are repeating or you want to generate the documents again, it won't give you multiple copies. It will give you only one copy. So this is the document. I have made some changes in it, added some curly braces, so please do not remove these. And that's it. Now you can see the folder is currently empty. I'll go to the sheet, the dashboard, and then I'll select whichever sheet I'm going to use and click this generate doc button. So this will start working on it. The process should complete within 6 minutes. Yeah, it's taking around 1 to 2 minutes, and you will see once it's done, you will see the finished comment here. If not, then please let me know. So you can see the PDF, the documents generation had started. Here you can see it's for Christian Synops her. Uh, Let me open another document. So this is my, you can see the name change here. Similarly, let me show you one for the fur, which is this one. This is the one you can see from, so it's using like this as per your instructions. So yeah, it's generating all the documents. Once it will complete the generation, it will give you a finished thing. I hope there are so it's almost finished. Let me pause the video so that all the PDFs can be generated within this video recording. So yes, you can see the code has completed, and you can see the last document generated is here. Let's go to the data and see if we have this one in here. Yeah, so we have this document. Let's go to the top and find this document. Yes, I think, yeah, it's done. We have all the documents here on the sheet. Please let me know if you need any further assistance. Yes, here, so that I can assist you with. So this is an additional extra control from my side, which will allow you to select any of the sheet and run it through, and it will all auto update the status here. As you can see, all these being generated where there are no not selected whether it's a man or woman. So this is not generated. So this is the current status. Please let me know if you need any further assistance. Thank you.